Boys, today we've got a Matlock 6743 padlock. It's got a cutaway section on it, so you'll be able to see the pins moving when I'm picking it. Let's put some tension on the bottom. Pin 3. Pin 1 and pin 4 spool pins. I'll just lift pin 1 up so you can just have a look at it. There, look, so pin 1's a spool pin. Let's get back to pin 1 again. Ease off the tension a little bit. Lift pin 1 up. Get back to that pin 1. And there you go. There you go, it's open. So that's the Matlock 6743 padlock picked. Not a bad little practice like that. And as always, once you've cracked it, just undo the grubber screws and put some more spools in, or some mushrooms, whatever you want. So that's it for today. As always, thanks for watching. Ta-ra a bit.